Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and an honor to be in your midst and to celebrate this wonderful day. My name is Shibu John, and I represent Aroma Group of Companies. I would take a short time from you, just bear with me. And I would like to present a prestigious project by Aroma Group of Companies. This is a residential apartment, and it's a flagship residential tower project for Aroma Group of Companies. It's in the heart of Trivandrum in Nanjangud, and this is a flagship project. As we go, let me introduce Aroma Group of Companies. It consists of 8 companies, and Aroma International Building Contracting is one of the pillars of Aroma Group of Companies. Let me give you the reputation and the achievements in a short, brief statement about Aroma International Building Contracting. We have started 22 years back, completed 185 projects without any delay in 185 projects, for which the UAE government and Dubai has given us the Achievement Award. Dubai Municipality has given us the Best Contractors Award for Performance, and the Taqdeer Award for 4 consecutive years for Aroma International Building Contracting for labor welfare. So Aroma International Building Contracting takes care of its employees, and we are family. So, Aroma Group of Companies is venturing for the first time as a developer with the reputation and the achievement backing us. And this project is a residential project. As you can see, it's in the heart of Trivandrum. And this project is adjacent to the Travancore Devasam Board, behind the Trivandrum Zoo and Museum, and very close proximity to the Cliff House. So, as you can see, this is the project. And regarding the project, all legal things and all matters related to the government is cleared. We have a clean chit. All government authority fees are paid. It's a full ownership under the name of the company. And the RERA approval is under process. We expect to get it in 1 month. And the official sale has not started. This is just an introduction. It's expected to be completed in December 2023. And with Aroma's reputation as a builder, we expect to finish it well before December 2023. And we have the water connection from the corporation. There's a waste treatment plant. There's a sewerage connection connected to the corporation facilities. And the project is well financed and approved by State Bank of India, Federal Bank, and HDFC. So I'm briefing you about a project which is in the heart of Trivandrum, Nanjangud, and this, you get very few properties in that particular location. About the building by itself, you have a basement, ground floor, upper ground, 13 floors with a roof. There are 62 apartments in this building, 5 numbers in each floor, and 42% of the area is open. You can have a walk in the evening, your children can play. And there are 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and duplex apartments on the 11th and 12th floor. As we move, this particular plot is 60 cents, 3 bedrooms, 35 numbers, 2-bedroom, 24 numbers, and duplex apartments, 3 and 4-bedroom, 3 numbers. Let me run through the apartments. We have 3-bedroom apartments, 33 numbers, 8 types of apartments. You have these apartments on the upper floor, 1 to 10 typical floors, and on the 11th and 12th floor. And the area ranges from 119 square meter to 132 square meter for the 3-bedroom. And the area depends on which floor you are and where your flat is located in that particular floor. And as I run through, one thing good about this, before I came here, I studied it myself. If I'm not convinced, I won't be standing here and presenting this. I was convinced because one thing about all the 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom or duplex, one good thing about this is, my wife always used to say, when we used to look for an apartment in Dubai, I used to go with my wife, and the only thing she said was, "Nalla vettom velichom illengil njan avada varathilla." So this, you can see all the rooms are well illuminated. As you see, you can enter the foyer. There's a huge dining room and a living room with a balcony. The kitchen is well illuminated. The ladies will be happy because a woman, it's not the best, the favorite to be in the kitchen, but you need to give them more light and more room, and it's here. You have these 3 bedrooms with a balcony, well spacious, all attached bathrooms. So this is a brief of the 3-bedroom. Similarly, you have a 2-bedroom, 24 numbers, 5 types, ranging from 87.24 square meter to 99.45 square meters. And if you run through it, I won't go into the details. As you can see, even the 2 bedrooms have 3 balconies and all attached bath with a well-ventilated kitchen and a utility, with a nice dining room and living room in an L shape. And I was fully convinced this is quite good for a location like this. And then as you go into the duplex, if some of you want bigger apartments, we have the duplex on the 11th and the 12th floor. You have 1 bedroom at the bottom, and the next floor you have 3 and 4 bedrooms with a maid's room. And as you can see, the duplex has huge terraces where you can sit in the evening, sip a cup of tea or coffee, and relax. These are huge rooms ranging from 143.06 square meters to 207.78 square meters. This is quite spacious. Now, let me run through the duplex apartments. And the basement has 75 car parks, including motorcycle parking, 2 lifts, which go to each floor. And the 13th floor, you have all the recreation areas. You have the party hall, you have a gymnasium, common terrace, and children's play area. And as you see, if you go to the 14th floor, you have a big swimming pool. This is quite big. It's around 12 meter by 4 meter. It's a big swimming pool with a fantastic pool deck. There's party space. And if you look at the 13th floor also, you have an open parking space. And on the roof, we have solar panels which generates energy, which can ease your electricity bill. I don't mean cancel your electricity bill. These solar panels generate power, and it can ease your electricity bills. And with Aroma, group of company with such a good reputation in Dubai, completed 185 projects, and with a flagship project in Trivandrum in Nanjangud. Now we move to the villa project, which is in the drawing board, and we are very optimistic and positive that this project in Karakolam, Trivandrum, and we have on the drawing board a residential tower project in Maradu, Kochi. So hopefully, Aroma will move into India, into the capital of Kerala and the other cities of Kerala. And we want to prove and carry on the reputation and the achievements we have done. So we look forward to you partnering with Aroma, group of companies, in making it a success. And we assure you that you're in right hands. If you're interested in having an apartment in this, the telephone number is there, my number is there. If anybody is interested, we will have people outside who can take your number and email. The sale is not official. You can express your interest, and we will be in touch with you. We can email you the brochure or WhatsApp the brochure. So if you're interested, you can contact us and book this in a very, very prestigious location in the heart of Trivandrum. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.